Hey there everyone, welcome back in Django to do a video tutorial series. In this video tutorial we are going to install Django in our Windows system. So let's start. First of all I'm going to create here a new folder. The name is to do. You can keep this folder anywhere in your machine, and next open cmd command, or you can open this folder in your VS Code, which I already we discussed in previous video to install VS Code. And before doing this, if you are new in Django, you must have to install Python. Go to python.org and download and install in your system. I already have installed this Python, so I'm not going to install again. I have already installed Python 3.9.1. You can check by Python -i version. And next you have to install Visual Studio Code. Just go to code.visualstudio.com, then download and install VS Code from here. That's it. It's a very simple and easy. Right. Now you can see I opened here to do folder, and I'm going to create a virtual environment. For that I have to type here Python -m venv means a virtual environment, and in current directory, first I have to go in this directory because I'm in my user cd desktop, then cd to do. Now I'm inside in this directory or this folder which I created in my desktop. Here Python -m venv, and this is because in current directory dot and this slash, and the folder name will be venv. You can keep any name here, what you want, env, venv, or virtual environment, anything. Hit enter. Now you can see here venv, the virtual environment, is created. If I go inside, here we have scripts, and we have to activate. It's coming this one, the batch file. Okay, let's go. Now I'm inside to do. We have to go venv scripts, then activate this one. Simply I will type here venv, which is the folder name, then this backslash scripts backslash activate. Means first I access this venv, then inside scripts, then inside we have a activate. Hit enter. Now you can see here the virtual environment is activated. Now I'm going back to in main directory folder here, and here I'm going to install Python, and this Python Django. This Django will be installed in this virtual environment. All the packages will hold in this virtual environment. Python this pip install Django, and this Django we're going to install in our virtual environment. It means here. And for Mac and Linux user, like if you are using Ubuntu or Mac, the previous video which we created, the same procedure, like you have to activate your virtual environment by using source, then virtual environment and all your path. It's giving us the warning to update your pip version. I'm not going to update because mostly I'm working on Mac. So in your case you can update this pip version. Now next step, we have to create a project. Django admin start project, then project name, like in this case I'm typing here to do app, then dot mean in this current directory. If I hit enter, sorry, spelling mistake, now hit enter. Perfect. Here we created the project, and now I'm going to run this project. Python manage.py run server. Now it's running in 127.0.0.1:8000. If I go to my browser, about this file db.sql, in upcoming videos we will discuss. And here if I type 127.0.0.1:8000, hit enter. Now we can access our project which we installed here. So that's for this tutorial where we install Django in our Windows machine. And next video tutorial we'll go to create our database.